How to buy Telegram stars. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can buy the Telegram stars. So if you want to buy the Telegram star, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to launch the Telegram app on your mobile device. Go and open up your Telegram app. Once you have launched your Telegram app, you have to just go for the hamburger option which is on the top right corner of the screen and tap on the setting option. Once you are here, you have to just go for the Telegram Premium. And here you have to buy the Telegram Premium. Here you can see the annually or monthly plan. So here you can choose this. So if you want to purchase or buy the Telegram star, you have to just go for the My Star. And once you are on your My Star, you have to just go for the Buy Star. So here you can choose your package. Also you can go for the more option here. So if you want to buy the 100 star, it will cost you $2. So here you can see the price of the packages. So if you want to buy this, just go for this. Just go for this. And here you have to add your payment method by choosing your credit or debit card. So this is the simple step how you can buy the Telegram star on your Telegram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.